Hello everybody, hello guys. Welcome to our new video in our channel. So please don't forget to share our video and please subscribe my channel Arwa Academy. So let's start. Today we will present to you something very interesting, which is items of fashion clothes in English with examples. Sneakers, basket, حذاء رياضي. My sneakers are grey. Jacket, wind cheater, blouson, sutra. I wear my green jacket in the snow. Bonnet, cap, bonnet, casquette, قبعة. Do this bonnet belong to you? I have lost my cap. Underpants, brief, sleep, لبس داخلية. I'm even going to stop wearing pajama and sleep in my underpants. Cowl, hood, cagoule. Hang up your cowl. Ring, bag, خاتم. She wore a beautiful ring. Shirt, chemise, قميص. My shirt isn't dry yet. Toe, chaussure, حذاء. If the toe fits, wear it. Shawl, shawl, shell. His neck was wrapped with a shawl. Collar, col, طوق. Your collar has a stain on it. Dress, robe, فستان. My teacher wore a red dress. To sew, coudre, خياطة. Fashion designer, couturier, خياط مصمم. Mark is the best fashion designer. Dressmaker, seamstress, couturière, خياطة مصممة أزياء. She works as a dressmaker. Out of fashion, dated, démodé, قديم. My clothes are out of fashion. Smart, dressy, élégant, أنيق. She looks smart and lovely, oh my god. Sorry. Tie, cravate, ربطة عنق. His tie is green. Glove, gant, قفاز. Fit like a glove. Wardrobe, garde-robe, خزانة. I keep my clothes in the wardrobe. Tight, coulant, جوارب. My tights are made of nylon. Waistcoat, gilet, sutra. I buy a blue waistcoat. Skirt, jupe, تنورة. Her skirt is red like mine. Model, demi, mannequin, objet. The model is dressy. Slacks, trousers, pantalon, سروال. I really like this trouser. Handbag, sac à main, حقيبة يد. My handbag is blue. Trendy, à la mode, موضة. My skirt is trendy. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. See you next time. Don't forget to write your feedback. Goodbye, guys.